Installing TireJECT is super easy and it can be done by anyone. Our kit comes with an adapter for our pouch, and this adapter fits right over your valve stem, and you're squeezing the liquid straight through the valve stem, and the installation can be done in under 5 minutes.